I thought I'd better do a few more. Just in case my grandsons like them. I might even try painting them a little bit. Oh, they're not coming off easily. Yeah. I was wondering what paint would be good for them. It'd be nice if I can just use ordinary acrylic paint. So I might give that a try. Just a quick update on this glass build plate. Really not happy. I know I say that about a lot of things, but then there's a lot of things I'm not happy about. I had a couple of things that just wouldn't print on it. They kept coming loose. I played with the settings and they'd still come loose. So I ended up using Elmo's glue, which is something that people recommend. That stopped the problem with them slipping, but now I'm having real trouble releasing stuff, trying to get it off. It's actually, well, I've just been taking that lot off, and I have to use this sharp knife blade to try and get under the edge, because the ordinary spatula thing won't touch it. I'm really struggling. I'm having to put a lot of pressure on the bed to try and move the items off it. So I think that's probably upsetting the bed. So I've got to re-level it each time. So I really don't know what to do. I've just tried cleaning it off, and I think I might have to go and get some alcohol or something to try and clean it back to its original state. You can actually see marks in the surface there. Yeah. I don't know. Personally, I'd rather go back to the original bed. At least I could lift it off and bend it a little bit to help to release stuff. Whereas with the glass one, you're stuck with it. It's absolutely rigid. I don't like the way that that's marked up. I hold the camera at it at the right angle. Now that it's drying, you can see that. Then again, I suppose with Elmo's glue, you could run it at a cooler temperature. Maybe that's the answer. Oh, the other little problem I meant to cover just then, because it's got extra mass, it's heavy, had to add extra clips to hold it in place because the glass plate had actually shifted on the heater bed. So that had put everything out of line on one of my prints. It doesn't move anymore now that it's got 3 lots of clamps either end. But this morning when I came and had a look at it, the whole printer had shifted. It was actually twisted and the front edge of it was off the edge of the drawer unit here. So it actually, all that weight slamming backwards and forwards, had actually made the whole printer walk forwards. Now it's never done that before. So again, very tempted to go back to the original plate or buy another thin one, because this glass has clearly got so much mass when it's swinging about that it's actually making the whole printer walk. It's alright when it's a fairly simple print, but That was quite a complicated print there, so it's obviously doing a lot of jumping around, and the whole printer had walked forwards. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.